As a communication expert, I've helped tens of thousands of people turn hesitation into confident communication, which means they can say what matters, be heard, and make a lasting positive impact. By utilizing my proven storyhook method, I've helped people achieve more significance in all areas of life and do it very quickly. This life-changing breakthrough mindset causes transformation in their personal and professional lives, as well as their health and relationship. And I can do that for any audience, including yours. What this does is help your audience communicate far better than ever before, which means they dramatically increase their ability to communicate well. They will leave transformed and motivated from within to take action on what truly matters to them. The founder of Newswire magazine, M. Curtis McCoy, said, "Your audience will love Brigham. The framework I teach will show your audience how to influence others through storytelling, which will bless all areas of their life. If they're in sales, they will generate more income because they'll be able to create value as simply as possible in a way people can connect with." Sharon Lechter, the co-author of the super popular Rich Dad Poor Dad series, said, "Brigham doesn't just inspire, he moves you to action." This message is acclaimed as a masterclass, godsend, deeply thoughtful. It's not just about being competent, it's about creating lasting confidence from within and doing it very quickly. If you are a meeting planner who wants entertainment, motivation, and transformation, that's exactly what I do for you. In a simple 3-step process with a hook, a story, and a gift. First, a hook. It helps you command the attention of key people in your life. For example, bosses, managers, and clients. It even works at home with friends, family, and kids. A story helps you get your points across in the simplest and easiest way possible. And finally, a gift is how you wrap up your ideas to be a container for transformation, improve decision-making, and motivation from within. Even when applied imperfectly, your audience will fundamentally and permanently improve their ability to be heard, seen, and speak up when it matters. They will leave the event as a more bold, courageous, and self-motivated person. Every presentation is a jump out of your seat, enthusiastic, high-octane experience where audiences move, feel moved, and make moves on what matters most. Audiences can't help but listen more attentively and remember a lot. Book Brigham now to share with your audience the secret to compelling communication.